Yes, digital product family, hope you guys are well. You're gonna love this Tumbler video, guys, because you guys love your tumblers. So I'm gonna show you some Tumbler ideas that will help you sell, because I know there's some people that need to know exactly how to sell better on Etsy. And guys, look, Etsy is massive. So to get seen, to get there, you need to work on it, right? You do need to work on it, and you got to be tactical. You got to be strategic. You got to be smart in the way you sell. You got to be out there. You got to get your designs ready. You got to mock up. You got to put a sale on. You got to put the price right. Guys, there's so much to Etsy. You're not just going to put a listing up and expect to have sales flooding in, because it doesn't work like that. But guys, before I give you some of those nuggets, if you do love digital products, if you love selling, you love creating, you love all of that good stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Guys, check this one out, guys. Look, this is what I'm talking about. This is what you do. Now check this seller, right? This seller is a specialist, right? Is a specialist. They sell Tumbler wrap designs. The name of the store is Tumbler wrap designs. Okay, boom, there you go. But obviously they'll do a few other bits and pieces as well. Look, a lot of stores sell different things, right? Doesn't just have to be only tumblers, or doesn't have to be. You can sell a whole array of things. You can sell digital stickers, clip art, tumblers, coasters, earrings, as in not real earrings, but the design earrings, digital bookmarks, all sorts. As long as you make sure that you make it clear in your store, and you're not kind of like a mishmash of things. It's nice and clear and well laid out. But listen, guys, these are the keys to actually being able to sell properly Tumbler designs. Right now, I'm going to show you something. Look at this store. Look at how good they're doing, just to give you an idea. Now I'm going to put this in order of how they're doing, and I think, did I feature this one? I may have featured it. Let me just show you something, right? Just give you an idea. Now this, I'm going to show you a bundle of just 38. This is a bundle of 38 3D inflated style, right? 3D inflated style is becoming popular as well. 20-ounce sublimation designs, right? Okay, imagine how much this is making. Now you got to remember, it is a sale, so you got to take that into account. Right now, 7,000. This listing's been up for 2 months. 7,133. That's how much they're making. Estimated 214 sales per month, guys. Right? 3D inflated style wrap designs that go just wrap around it. Right? These are these kind of interesting ones. 3D cherry style, 3D rainbow style, unicorn, 3D sunflower. I'm sure. No, pineapples. Right? Right. That's what they're doing. Right. So they got their nice mock-up, clarity in the mock-up, telling you what you're getting, showing you what you're getting, and then you got your individual little combos there. And this is making over 7K. Obviously, like I said, it's a sale right now. Got to take that into account. And like all of these people are happy with what they bought. There's reviews. They love them. Okay. Now, you might be saying, yeah, but what are they doing? Look, they are on it because they are obviously trying to create. These guys create different types of bundles of niche, sub-niche tumblers. Right? There was a 3D inflated. Right? This is another idea. The 3D bestseller style, which is going for 6,399. These are the bestseller idea tumblers. We'll look at that as well. The popular ones. They know what's popular, guys. They bundle up the popular PNG wraps, right? You got these designs, right? That are popular, that people do love. You got the mama with the word mama on there, and you got these different styles. Okay, these are some popular ones, but look, they bundle them really, really well. It's about bundles. As we go along with this video, I'm going to give you the tips. Right, you got to have bundles if you want to sell. Okay, if you want to sell, because people love good deals. They want to get loads together. They want to feel like they're getting a good deal, especially with so many sellers out there. Look at this one, 4,133. Okay, for a bundle. Again, the bundles are not bundles of 60, right? with these kind of style. These kind of design styles are also becoming popular. I've seen them a lot. Now what you do is you learn from the sellers, the ones that know what they're doing. This is what I'm saying. These guys know what they're doing, right? Look at these. These can be done in MIDJOURNEY software AI really quickly. And what it is you're doing lots and lots of versions. You need to have lots of versions. One is not going to do it. This is 60, right? But they'll make money. This is what I'm saying. They will make good money because they're putting a lot together. Okay. This is what I'm saying. And you know, there's a lot of ideas, and I like the way this store thinks, right? This one listing, right? This one idea makes 1,117, right? Look at this idea. They've touched on the teacher sublimation idea, design, wrap design, PNG, right? The teacher one, the teacher idea, because they know that teachers, you know, look for this. It's popular. And they've created just one listing, right? And this isn't a bundle. This is one listing. So where you can find those good niches that people, they're unsaturated niches, you may not need to do a bundle. Like this one doesn't need a bundle. This one sells well on its own, right? And this is what I'm saying. These guys are very smart because they know what they're doing. Now, not only they will sell these, by the way, as single ones, right? They will sell them as single listings, but they'll also bunch them up as bundles. And then on top of that, they may do a mega bundle, right? This nurse one, 149, not so much, but look, it's another angle. It's another profession. So the whole point of what I'm trying to say, this is for nurses, a medical one, Tumbler design, nurse medical Tumbler design, nice little logos design on there. This is about once the store is out there and they have the Tumbler niche, right? They are going on to different sub niches within the Tumbler, and then people are coming to their store. So when people come to their store and they see what they've got, they're likely to buy other designs. So because they're so out there, they're likely to be seen by people more. And this is what I'm saying. If you're going to do Tumbler designs, Tumbler wraps, you have to build up your listing until you are getting into other sub niches, okay, within it, because that is how you get seen. You know, when you got somebody who's looking for horses, and I did a video on sunflower and horses, it seems to be a popular thing that people like to do, you know, then this person understands, the store understands that this is something that people like and enjoy and look for. And then you got the horses Tumbler designs, okay? And again, that's what they do. They look for the designs that people are searching for, and then they create the Tumbler wraps around it. Does that make sense, guys? Right? And that's what I'm saying. This is what they do, all right? And they do it so well. So my advice is this. You go and find those stores that are making that money because they understand how to do it. Now, granted, you know, they may be, you know, a lot of these are, I mean, they may have been around for a while. Some of these, I mean, not all of these listings that I'm looking at are old. A lot of these are 1 month, 2 month listings. They're quite new. Obviously, the store's been around for a while, so they know what they're doing. However, you want to get into niches, emerging niches. But what I'm trying to say is, in terms of principle, see what people are actually looking for, what they want. Try and create a lot of different sub niches within the Tumbler wrap design niche, if you like, and then bundle them up. Single, nice sale on it, good sale on it. Make sure your title and everything, all the keywords are there nicely. Nice sale on it. Put the bundles in there, small bundle, make a bigger bundle, and then do something like a mega bundle. But what it is you've got to have different types and different styles of designs. I mean, these guys, like, they know what they're doing. Look at this. This is an American farmer design, right? And even if, look, just imagine, even if, let's say, I mean, this seller's getting a lot of money. They're making so much. Like, if we're going to go and look at how much they're making in terms of the store, it's going to be crazy, right? I'm going to just give you a flavor of it right now because I've got the store here, and I'm just going to show you like an idea of how much they are making. Is this the store I'm on? I don't know if I'm on the store though. Let me check this out first, guys. I don't think this is the store. Let me go to the store itself. Yeah, let me go to the store. So check this out, guys. Right? Yep, I'm on the store. I'm on the shop store. So just to give you an idea, let me just do the start again at the top. All right, this is what they're making. So one of the first revenue, which is the entire store, is $36,000 a month. The next one, $7,000 a month. Then it's $6,000 a month. Then it's $4,000. Then it's $1,400. Then it's $1,300. Then it's $1,000, $600, $600, 300, two. You know, like when you add it all up, I mean, I'm sure what 30, 40, 50K, 60K, maybe over 50K for sure. Imagine over 50K a month, 50,000 USD. Now you gotta know that a lot of this they are sales, as in they are on sale. So you got to take that into account. But just imagine like how much. And now we're not saying like you need to get that much a month, but we're saying like imagine if you're able to get something like this or close to this. But it's about being smart, and it's about doing your bundles, guys. Check this out: 3D Dog Mom, Polaroid. You got different retro styles. They know what they're doing. So what my advice is have lots of listings, lots of designs. Stick to a niche that, let's say if it's the Tumbler niche, but you got to keep doing listings upon listings, guys. Put bundles together. Look at what's popular, what is selling. Look at what sells. What are the big sellers on other stores, because you know that they're being searched for. You know, there's so many different design styles that people like, right? That you should really start getting deep into the research and analysis. But guys, when you do that, you're going to find a huge uptake in terms of your sales. You know, like I said, even things like people might not have known the bubble wrap style or the 3D wrap style is becoming very popular, you know, and some of these stores know this and they get in there very quick. So yeah, there's a few tips, guys, to help hopefully your Tumbler wrap sales. If you did like the video, guys, as usual, hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And if you do want any other video that you got in mind or you do like, put it in the comments below and hopefully I'll try and get that done for you. But guys, as usual, see all the links that I use for all my things that I use, all the links on my description. Check out the videos after this. Guys, take care and I shall see you on the next one.